welcome to Seoul, Korea.
Start it up.
Welcome to Samsung Galaxy Unpacked.
The Galaxy Z Flip 5, all new design.
An expanded cover screen to access your world freely and flex your style.
Quick access to all of your favorite widgets.
The best hands-free selfie experience.
Powerful processor and nightography enhanced with AI.
The Flip 5 is personal. It's powerful and pocketable.
Introducing the Galaxy Z Fold 5 for our lightest, most compact fold yet.
New S Pen with a slimmer case.
A spectacular large screen experience. The most powerful processor, nightography, to capture stunning clarity even in low light. Galaxy Z Fold 5 provides PC-like power in your pocket, where powerful performance meets flexibility. Whichever is the right fit for you, they come IPX8 rating, made possible through relentless innovation and pioneering craftsmanship. Redesign the hinge and enhances stability and toughness. Call it the Flex Hinge.
Introducing the Galaxy Watch 6 series. Thinnest bezel amongst Galaxy watches. Sleep is a window to our health and well-being.
Our coaching program provides easy-to-follow guidance.
Bioactive sensor provides the new irregular heart rhythm notification and personalized heart rate zone. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic with a rotating bezel. It is the ultimate health, wellness, and style companion.
Galaxy Tab S9 series redefines the premium tablet experience. Dynamic AMOLED 2X displays, vision booster, IP68 rating, water and dust resistance, available across the entire Galaxy Tab S9 series. Explore your imagination. The Galaxy Tab S9 series, a new standard in premium tablets. We'll continue to reimagine mobile technology to enable more sustainable lifestyles.
Samsung Galaxy continues to push forward for more productivity, more enjoyment, and more connection. Thank you. See you next time.